The next topic we will talk about is the buildingSMART data dictionary. Data is necessary to be together with geometry today, and it is mandatory. That is what bsDD is for. The buildingSMART data dictionary gives every country, every institute or company the opportunity to publish their data in a common file format. All data generated in a given institution can be managed and published in the bsDD system. Let's look at an example in ARCHLine.XP. We selected some walls in the model that we want to assign information to from the database. I will select the database and look for the property that I want within it. In this new dialog box, you will see exactly the same content as you did before in the buildingSMART website. Here you can fill in all the properties according to the value that can be assigned to the walls or any other element. And now let's do an export. I will show the model in another software. This is the Open Design Viewer software. Here you can see that all the information are listed. And here you can see the values that we assigned. Geometry and data. Nothing is lost.